The Carter Park complex in Port Antonio is undergoing expansion work to the tune of $19.8 million. The first stage of the development work, which started on Monday of this week, is expected to be completed by May of next year. It was disclosed at the Portland Municipal Corporation meeting by Deputy Superintendent and former JFF General Secretary Raymond Grant. Grant, who was addressing the municipal meeting, noted that the contract had been awarded to Miller's Construction and Electrical Works.
Expansion of the western stand to include 2 changing rooms and bathroom facilities, the construction of a medical facility, construction of facility for match officials, the construction of a bandstand, and other supporting amenities. Works are expected to be completed within 7 months and is valued at approximately $20 million.